guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with another Pinterest outfits video. You guys seemed to really like this video last time, and I'm so happy because it was probably one of my favorite videos that I've ever filmed. It was able to get me like creative out of my little fashion rut that I get into sometimes and give me some serious outfit inspiration. I am constantly pinning things all day long, and I'm so surprised that I like have the majority of those items in my closet or something super similar. So I'm going to show you 4 different outfits that I have pinned myself on Pinterest. If you guys aren't following me on Pinterest, I will link it down below my Pinterest. I post my own outfit videos, and then I am always pinning either recipes or outfits. So I love Pinterest. It's such a hidden gem of like social media, I guess. It's not negative, it's totally positive. It's, you take what you want out of it, and it's literally my favorite. So I wanted to share with you 4 of my favorite outfits that I've pinned recently and what I've used to recreate. And I think the cool thing about this is like, we're not just going out and buying new stuff, we're really looking into what we already currently have and shopping our wardrobe again. So let's go ahead and start with outfit number 1. All right, so I'm gonna throw up outfit number 1 on the screen for you guys. I love everything about this look. The sweater underneath, or sweatshirt, I think she's wearing a sweatshirt, but I'm gonna pair mine with a sweater. The tan blazer, I never wear my tan blazer very much, and I don't know why. So I was really on the hunt for a lot of tan blazer outfits to get myself inspired. So if there's a piece in your wardrobe that you feel like you never reach for, try Pinterest to look up different ideas and then see if that really fits with you. Or maybe it's a sign that that's not right for your wardrobe. But for me, it was really just like figuring out how to style it in a casual way, because I love blazers, but I'm a very casual dresser. So this I thought was super cute with the jeans and the Converse. I'm obsessed. So yeah, let's go ahead and see my spin on outfit number 1. All right, let's put together outfit number 1. Like I said, here is the inspo. So let's start with the gray sweater and the lighter medium and wash jeans. So let's change. I'm pretty sure she has like a sweatshirt, but this is kind of like a sweater. I got this from Primark a little while ago, and I really love it. It's super cute. It kind of looks like a sweatshirt, crew neck sweatshirt, but it's like a thicker sweater, and I really enjoy it. So let's go ahead and put that on with these like light wash cropped-ish jeans. I think these are cropped from, I guess they didn't need to be cropped. Let me see if they're too cropped when I put them on. Are these full length? No, these are shorts, but I think they're gonna be okay with my Converse, so let's try them on. Yeah, these will still be like good with my Converse, so. That's a trick at Abercrombie. If you ever want like more of a crop style jean, just order them in short, or if you're tall, order them in regular or whatever. I guess if you're short, you can't really do that. I guess you can, sometimes they have extra short. Anyway, we're gonna tuck in. This is why I did this sweater and not a sweatshirt, because I only have a cropped one and I wanted it to be more tucked. Did anyone see the dang thing where it's like, you know you're a millennial when you do the front tuck still? Are we kiboshing the front tuck? I can't live like that. I really wouldn't make it. Converse, crusty dusty Converse. I only have the platforms, but we're gonna make it work because that's what I think is cute. And for the sake of the video, I'm not wearing socks. Judge me if you will. Let's see if these are gonna be too cropped. I don't want ankle to show. No, I think it's actually cute. I mean, it's borderline. If I was gonna sit down in this, I would probably wear longer pants, which I have a pair of A Goldies that are like the same kind of wash. I don't know why I didn't grab those, but I didn't. See what else she's wearing. Let's reference this picture again. I have to reference it on my phone. Oh yeah, she's wearing a hat. I do not own a black hat, but I own a dark gray hat, so I think that's fine, right? I mean, I own a black hat, but it's like a Nike black hat, and I think that's like too sporty for the look. And honestly, I feel like this works because I'm wearing like a gray sweater, so it's good. She's wearing like a wool sort of blazer, but I'm gonna wear this one because I never wear this. And like I said, I want to challenge myself to wear this, so. Whoop, hair in the gloss. Oh, I'm obsessed. Guys, I love this. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I would pair a clutch with this. Maybe this. I would pair a black purse. What do we think? How'd I do, you guys? Let me move her over. I think it turned out super cute. Honestly, I'm obsessed with this. I think it's like very casual, very me, very it. I'm in love. You know what I have? This shows you how much I've worn this. I didn't even realize that this was still connected. I swear I have worn this, and that's embarrassing. You ever do that? Walk out of the house or realize you've had tags? I didn't realize that I had tags on my overalls, and I had worn them like 5 times, and I still had the tag on it. See, that shows you I needed to wear this. Okay. So this is my sign that I can actually wear this town blazer, and it's super cute. So how did we do? Look number 1, her look number 1, my look number 1. I am obsessed with this outfit. We are off to a really good start. Let's move on to look number 2. Okay, outfit number 2 really is just like the epitome of comfy. I'm constantly pinning outfits that have the New Balance dad sneaker or whatever, because I just recently bought them and I was constantly just kind of trying to figure out just cute ways to wear them. And I mean, I already love them, so I knew like I just wanted to pin outfits with them. So things that I already own. So I love the graphic hoodie. I have a lot of graphic sweatshirts, not a lot. I have 2 graphic sweatshirts, but they're not like hoodies. So I actually grabbed one that was my mom's. So again, pick and choose what works for you. Throw it on a pair of jeans, and then I love the little New Balance look with this. So super, super casual. Throw like a wool coat over the top of it, or even like a blazer or something like that. But I love the look. I love the layers for fall. So you get like structured with softness of the hoodie. So this is the epitome of comfort, and the real reason I pinned it were for those New Balance sneakers. So let's go ahead and see how I recreate. Look number 2 is another really comfy, cozy one. Let me pop it up on the screen now. So she again has a denim hat. I wish I had a denim hat. I do, but it's like smiley face and it's light denim, so I don't think it'll work. So I'm gonna do the same hat as last time. But let's go ahead and switch out our layers. Put our blazer down. Let's go ahead and pop on a darker denim and a graphic hoodie, and I'll see you in a sec. Base layers on. This is what I mean by really utilizing what you have in your closet. I'm actually gonna take this out because it's, ugh. No, I'm not. I can't get it out right now. We only have 1 string. This is my mom's alumni sweatshirt from the high school she went to, and I love it. I have these dark Levi's jeans that I just got. I'm really trying to get into Levi's jeans. I'm really into raw, like structured denim, and I'm kind of loving these. They're like, all Levi's, you need to like work them in to stretch them out. So I always just like wear them for a little while every day to kind of break them in, but they fit really freaking nicely. So I'm excited for them to like get a little bit softer, but obsessed with this base layer. So far I would wear this out of the house. Next, let's put on our shoes. So like I said, the whole reason I was inspired by this outfit is for the New Balance. Take my little crew socks from Amazon. That's it. All right, let's refer back to the photo again. Okay, she has hers tied, but we're gonna do this. Okay, let's put on our hat and our coat. So back with our hat. I love how I'm wearing a New York alumni sweatshirt and then an LA hat. Girl. Okay, this is gonna be the moment of truth, is because I don't know if this jacket is big enough to fit over the top of this chunky sweatshirt. Oh, not bad. You know when you're like, huh, fat man in a little coat because your sweatshirt doesn't fit? This is giving very similar vibes to the last outfit. We're a little borderline chunked, but it's not bad, honestly. What do we think? I really like this outfit again. If you can't tell, I love sweatshirts, jeans, and a jacket thing. I got this jacket from Walmart last year, and it's such a good find. They have really cute, like, good finds like this. It's lined and everything. So this is her outfit. What about mine? Not bad, huh? She had a darker sweater, but I think this works. It's cute! I love it. Look number 3 is just Super cute with the red. I think we're all into the pop of red this season. And I love the little white t-shirt underneath. It's just such an easy way to make a sweater look more elevated. I really truly believe throw a t-shirt on underneath every single sweater, especially a white one. It just looks so good. So making sure you have a white t-shirt that has like a higher neckline and not something super short, I think is key for that. And then I never wear wide leg jeans. I have these ones from Zara and I absolutely love them. I never reach for them. That was what I picked from this outfit, was ballet flats and wide leg jeans. I have ballet flats, very different than hers, but I have ballet flats. Love the red, and I really wanted to try, like, push myself to style these. So let's see if I can make it look as good as she does, because she looks so effortless and chic. So let's go ahead and try to recreate look number 3. All right, so we've got the base to outfit number 3 on, a white top and my little wide leg jeans. The inspiration, again, she has a much more oversized hoodie or sweater than I do, so hopefully we can make this work. I don't know. I mean, we're gonna make it work, but you know what I mean. Like, pull it down a little, make it look a little less cropped. Got the tee popping out the top. Cute little bun. I can't do like a high bun like hers because I don't have enough hair, but I do think this is cute with your hair up. So let's just do a little bun and ignore my rat tail because we're just rocking it, okay? We're gonna go with like a little quilted moment. So yeah, like I said, hers is like much more like baggy and oversized, and I do like that look a little bit better than mine. She also has super big gold earrings. The biggest gold earrings I have are these ones. So we'll pop those in. Oh, so cute. She does have sunnies on. Okay, I would put my Ray-Bans on, but they're downstairs and I'm too lazy to go get them. So they're in my car. So we're gonna put these on and a little black bag. So her outfit and mine. What do we think? It's probably my least favorite that I've created so far, but because it's most out of my comfort zone, but I still think it's a winner. So let's move on to the final outfit. All right, look number 4 is really the epitome of me in an outfit. I'm obsessed with a white button down. I love my Adidas Sambas, and I think this is a really cool way to, I don't know, it's color block. It's really basic. It's really simple, black and white. I love a black and white outfit, but I love the little scarf around the neck. She just looks super classy and like such a clean, chic outfit, but really like trendy with the Sambas and the super round glasses and whatnot. I don't think those fit my face very well, but we're gonna do it anyway. So that is look number 4. So let's see if I can look as cute and stylish as this little lady does. Okay, so I don't have cropped black jeans, but let me show you my little hack. Can't believe I've never showed you this before. But, hello, Miss Winkles. All right, she has like a cropped sneaker, or cropped jean, which I think would look better with the Sambas. So go in to Amazon and get yourself one of these. We had one of these at Abercrombie when I worked retail. They have long little things for like tags, and they have these short ones for like the denim tags. But you can use this to like quickly hem stuff. So let me show you the magic that is this. You just fold up your pant where you want them. It's definitely not permanent, like I said, but you can fold up the pant where you want them. You can also fold it the other way if you like the outward cuff looking jean. Okay. And then you just take, stamp this through, push it through, and it puts a little clear tab through it, but it will stay. You don't have to worry about it falling down. So you just put them, and then you just take scissors and you're done. So now you have a cropped jeans. Let's do it to the other side. And you can't tell, like I'm seriously, it's so clear, but they also do have black, so I could have done black as well. So there you go. This thing is also great if you want to keep your collar open. You can just do it on your collar as well. Amazon, best little fashion hack ever. All right, so she has her shirt all the way tucked in and she's wearing a belt. So let's tuck her in. My jeans aren't as dark as hers. I just ordered a pair of dark jeans, but they don't work. Like, they're much too tight, even though they're the same size as these, which these are fine. So I'm gonna go exchange those for a bigger size, like a rinse black pair, like a true black, because I only have this like washed black one. And like I said, you could simply, if you wanted to make sure that this stayed open so that you can see your neck scarf, you can simply just take that little stitchy gun again. And I've never found that it really like disrupts my like clothing, as long as you like, I don't know, it's such a tiny little hole that it doesn't bother my clothing, I mean. She has a little neck scarf. I have this one, which is super cute. I love these for bags and stuff. And I think they are really cute around the neck as well. Very Parisian, very flight attendant. But I think it's cute. Now, the way to like dress this down, I feel like, is the sambas. So let's pop on those sambas. Last but not least, pair of sunnies. She's got long, luscious, curly hair. But I think this outfit is so cute. How do we do? This is her. I think she rocks it a little bit better. She also has a purse. I would just wear this little black purse. But how do we do? I think it turned out really cute. And again, I'm telling you, the crop tack for your jeans, game changer. You could always iron it too beforehand so that you get a really crisp line, but this is awesome for making any denim that you have looked cropped for an outfit that you want without chopping off your jeans or ruining them. So that was outfit number 4. All right, you guys, so that is going to wrap up my Pinterest outfits IRL, in real life. I hope you guys enjoyed this, found it helpful. Like I said, you guys seem to really love last times, and I want to continue making them more regularly because I think it's sometimes a little overwhelming to kind of see Pinterest and outfits on them, and then you wonder, like, does it look the same in real life? Can I pull that off? Whatnot? So I challenge you to recreate some of the pins. I know you've pinned outfits on your Pinterest. I know you have. I know you've pinned out recipes, so make a recipe and try an outfit. It's so much fun. It's really cool, and I bet you have way more of the clothes that you're pinning in your wardrobe than you think you do. And if you don't, and you're constantly pinning outfits that you see a key piece in, maybe it's time to get that piece. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video real soon. Bye!